In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a box shadow in Elementor. Adding a box shadow is a simple design technique that can make your website elements stand out and look more professional. It helps create depth on the page and draws attention to important sections. Let's go step by step. First, open your WordPress dashboard and go to the page you want to edit with Elementor. Click Edit with Elementor to open the Elementor editor. Once the editor loads, choose the element you want to apply the box shadow to. This could be a text box, image, button, column, or even an entire section. Elementor allows you to add box shadows to many different types of elements. After selecting the element, look at the left sidebar panel. Here, you'll see several tabs like Content, Style, and Advanced. Click on the Style tab. Inside the Style section, scroll until you find the Box Shadow option. Once you enable it, you'll see several settings that allow you to customize the shadow. First, choose the shadow color. Most designers use a soft gray or black color with low opacity to create a natural shadow effect, but you can choose any color that fits your design. Next, adjust the horizontal offset and the vertical offset. The horizontal offset controls whether the shadow moves left or right, while the vertical offset determines how far above or below the element the shadow appears. After that, adjust the blur radius. Increasing the blur will make the shadow softer and more natural, while a lower blur makes the shadow sharper and more defined. Then you can adjust the spread setting. Spread controls how large the shadow becomes around the element. Increasing the spread will make the shadow expand outward. Finally, adjust the opacity to control how strong or subtle the shadow appears. Lower opacity creates a softer effect, while higher opacity makes the shadow darker and more noticeable. Once you finish adjusting these settings, take a moment to review how the shadow looks on your page. You can always tweak the